Stop. Before you scroll again, listen. Your future is not being destroyed by one big mistake. It's being traded away in tiny moments. One more video, one more later, one more day where you let your mood drive the steering wheel. And I'm not here to shame you. I'm here to wake you up. Because excuses are comfortable. They sound reasonable. They feel protective. But excuses don't move your grades. They don't build your body. They don't fix your confidence. They only protect your ego while your life stays the same. You know the struggle. You sit down to study and your phone pulls you like a magnet. You tell yourself, just check one thing. Then your brain gets stuck in a loop. Scroll, compare, scroll, numb out. You watch other people doing better. And instead of feeling inspired, you feel smaller. Then you procrastinate harder to escape that feeling. And by night, you're exhausted. But you didn't actually do anything that makes you proud. That cycle is brutal, and it's common, but it's not permanent. Here's what changes everything. You don't need more motivation. You need a higher standard for your own word, because self-trust isn't a vibe. It's a record. It's proof. It's you showing up when nobody is watching. It's you doing the work while your mind is begging for comfort. Right now, decide who you are. Say this like you mean it. I'm the kind of person who does what I said, no matter how I feel. That's the identity shift. That's the line that separates talkers from builders. And listen, builders aren't superhuman. They're not always disciplined. They just don't negotiate with the same excuses every day. So let's make this practical. If you need study motivation, do this. Set a timer for 25 minutes, not an hour, not all day. 25 minutes, one task, one chapter, one page of notes, one set of problems. And your phone? Not face down, not silent, out of the room. Because if it's in reach, your attention is rented out to the internet. For 25 minutes, you don't need confidence. You need compliance. You follow the plan like it's your job, because it is. If you're trying to get fit, do this. Lower the entry point. Make it impossible to fail. Put your shoes on. Start moving for 10 minutes. Walk, push-ups, squats, anything. 10 minutes is not about calories. It's about identity. It's you proving. I move when I said I would. And when you mess up, because you will, here's the rule. One mistake does not get to steal the whole day. You don't punish yourself with quitting. You correct and continue. Failure isn't a life sentence. It's feedback. It tells you where your system is weak, so you tighten it. Let me say it clearly. Your feelings are allowed to be loud, but they are not allowed to be the boss. Discipline is not aggression. Discipline is loyalty. Loyalty to the future you, to the one who will either thank you or pay for your laziness with interest. So here's your challenge today, not soon. Pick one. 25 minutes of real study with your phone out of the room, or 10 minutes of movement right now. Do it messy, do it tired, do it with zero hype, just do it. Because your excuses don't matter, they never did. Your actions are the only language your life understands.